Okay, in example 3, you have a diagram given. This is circle L. The center is at L. The radius is 20, and we know that the chord is 24 inches. The question is, what is the length of dy? That's this small part here. Well, we know that the radius is 20, so the whole LD, we can figure that out. And we know that's 20. If we could figure out what LY is, we could find YD or DY. So we're going to use our idea of creating right triangles here. So I'm going to put this radius in. We knew the radius was 20. We knew this whole thing was 24. So this is 12 and this is 12. And then we're focusing on this right triangle right here. All right. And again, can you use Pythagorean theorem? Absolutely. Feel free to use Pythagorean theorem. I see that both of these are divisible by 4. So this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle. I know it doesn't quite look right, but LY would be 4 times 4, which would be 16. So if I'm looking for YD, I'm going to take YD. It's going to be the whole radius, which we know. I should write if I was a good person, but you know, not always. They're asking us to find dy, but same thing. I'm going to take the whole radius, L to D, which we know is 20 because they told us the radius was 20. Any place from the center out is 20. I'm going to subtract off what I found Ly to be, and then that is how I find dy, and that is inches as well. Hope that makes sense.